Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Everyone has a weakness, a gap in the castle wall. That weakness is usually an insecurity, an uncontrollable emotion or need. It can also be a small secret pleasure. Either way, once found, it is a thumbscrew you can turn to your advantage. Law 33, I think this would be quite an emotive one for a lot of people watching this. I think important to take this from the perspective of it being used against you. Are there people that deliberately go seeking your weakness and utilizing it and irritating it, etc., really putting you into a position where you're insecure, where you emotionally react with a negative emotion, either as in they found your hot buttons? Yeah, there are people who do that, most definitely. Obviously, the most effective way of inoculating yourself against Law 33 is using timeline therapy, mental emotional release techniques, is to release the emotions of anger, sadness, fear, hurt, and guilt, which will disconnect the hot buttons. An insecurity is what we would call a limiting belief. So use NLP, timeline therapy, or mental emotional release to get rid of the limiting belief, will get rid of the insecurity, which means you have no thumbscrew. That will mean that no one could use Law 33 against you. I think that's where we can take a very powerful lesson from Robert Greene's Laws of Power.